What's up, gang? I hope you are doing well today, guys. Okay, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe, guys. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you, guys. Thank you for your support. Okay, guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about tell us about it.co.za, guys. Here on this site, guys, you earn by doing surveys, and yeah, you earn by doing surveys, and you can sign up, guys, here by using your Twitter account and Google. Okay, as for me, I'm going to sign up using my email, guys. Okay, be right back. Okay, guys, now I'm in, guys. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard now. Here, guys, you will see all the surveys that you have, that you need to do. Okay, you see this funny face here, guys, where you can enter your details like banking details, your phone number, and so forth, guys. And then come to at the top here, guys, it is 3 bars here, guys. As you can see, you can see my surveys, my points, claim rewards, and then sell and banking details here, guys. But I won't go to this option here, guys, because you will see my information. Okay, let's see my surveys here, guys. Surveys. If my internet is slow, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, there's no survey available for me at this moment, guys. No survey. Okay, my points. Okay, guys, I've just withdrew 25 points. Now I have 15 points left, guys. Okay, I'm going to claim again, guys. As you can see, guys, there's a list here, guys, from 15 to 500 points, guys. Okay, 15. Okay, I'm going to claim my airtime, guys. MTN. Okay, claim. Are you sure? Yes, claim. Okay, as you can see, transaction successful, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, claim rewards. And now you can see, guys, I have zilch 0 points, guys. Zilch. Okay, claim rewards. Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, the status of my rewards, guys, is still pending, guys. It's still pending. As you can see the date here, guys. 1, 2, 3, guys. Still pending. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe and like, guys. I will see you on the next video. Peace.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.